The planet Mars is our neighbor. At some points in our orbit, Mars is only 55 million kilometers away. At times when the orbit of Mars brings it close to the Earth, it can be clearly seen in the night sky. Mars is sometimes called the red planet. This is because most of the surface of Mars is covered in a thick layer of iron oxide dust. This is the same metal as a rusty car. It gives the planet a reddish appearance. Mars has a lot of similarities to Earth. A day on Mars is 24 hours and 39 minutes long, almost the same length as a day on Earth. Mars has seasons, clouds and weather, just as we do on this planet. Like Earth, Mars has ice caps at the north and south poles, and the surface of the planet is covered in mountains, volcanoes and canyons. The weather on Mars is more similar to that on Earth than any other planet. Mars is farther away from the Sun than we are, so parts of the planet can get very cold. In summer, on the warmest part of the planet, temperatures can reach up to 20 degrees C. This is about as warm as it is in the UK in July. These similarities have made some scientists wonder if there might be, or ever have been, life on Mars. So far, we don't have proof that there has ever been life anywhere in the universe except for on planet Earth. Given the conditions on Mars, it might be possible for microscopic living things called microbes to survive there. An electron microscope reveals bacteria-like structures in meteorite fragments. Since 1960, the United States Space Agency NASA and space agencies in the USSR, China and India have attempted to send 43 spacecraft to gather data about Mars. 23 of these have either failed to reach Mars or failed to return any information. 20 spacecraft have been successful at sending photographs and other data back to Earth. Currently there are 7 spacecraft in operation collecting data from Mars. There are 5 orbiters circling the planet, and 2 space rovers on the surface. The most successful Mars mission ever has been the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. This was launched August 2005 and started orbiting Mars in March 2006. The MRO has collected more information about Mars than any other spacecraft. Photographs taken by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. Cerberus Fossey-Graben and Wine Street. On 28 September 2015, scientists from NASA released a statement saying that they believed the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter had found evidence of flowing water on the planet. This was exciting as it raised the possibility of life on Mars. Further investigation by powerful cameras, however, has shown that it is more likely that this observed water is a phenomenon called granular flow. NASA reports that granular flow is where grains of sand and dust slip downhill to make dark streaks. In November 2017 report concluded that this was more likely than the ground being darkened by seeping water. Although water exists on present-day Mars, it is believed to be only frozen in ice caps. Recent findings have shown that the planet does not have a significant amount of liquid water. Do you think there could be life on Mars, or in other places in the universe? Thanks for watching video.